I don't know, lacking. But I actually really like this. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making a phone charm, and I don't know, well, if you know me, you probably know that I really suck at making anything crafty. Anything with my fingers is not going to turn out good unless it's typing on a keyboard. So, okay, I think it worked. I'm going to put it like this. I can always mess up and do it again. But I think I do it like this. And then I put my beads here. Look, I got a cute little... Ah! It's a little bear. A dog. Can you see that? And like a cute little heart. So I'm going to do that now. But yeah, I'm not really sure how. Okay, is there even a hole in here? What the... There's like no hole. Never mind, just really small. First charm. Since my primary colors are blue, white, gray, and black, I decided to go with blue, white, and purple. Speaking of his butt cheeks, no.
Oh, you know what? Like, I feel like I'm not like paying attention to how.
Oh my, it's through its neck. Oh, that's horrible.
Okay.
Are you vlogging? Do you want to be in it?
Yes, hello.
I'll be fine.
I just realized I have two purple things. I like completely neglected that. So I think I'm gonna take a few off and then try again. So now I fixed. I put some purple on here so it's not like, I don't know, lacking. But I actually really like this. I have a metallic phone case and a blue one, so it could work. But I actually don't know what to do now. Do I tie it the same way at the end? Guys, I can't freaking get it. I have no nails. Light flashed before my eyes. Dun, da, da. Wait, are there dangle ones or is it supposed to be a loop? It'd be a really small loop, but it's still kind of cute.
Don't like these beads. You're going
This honestly looks like I'm decapitating a bear. Look, it's attached to the phone. Dun, da, dun. I think it's a little too long, but apparently I used nail polish with this.
Yes, you can do clear nail
Wait,
polish
show the
and hold
vlog
it.
what you've done. Ew, my phone camera's like literally dusty musty. That's good. Guys, if you're K-pop fans, what do you think that reminds you of, album or person?
It feels like it reminded me.
This just reminds me of myself. You know? I just went for me. Or Jungkook, I guess. He does blue. I don't have any black though, because I didn't want it to be as depressing as my closet.
Jungkook.
Ultimate bias. I feel like every time I come to the Siebel Design Center, for whatever reason, I'm wearing this sweater.
Really? That one?
Yes, it's so strange. Let's get a standing ovation for that.
Am I
round
in
of
there?
applause.
So is that in there?
Yes.
Oh.
It doesn't. Do you want me to delete it?
No, that's okay.
It can be in the vlog.
I can be included on the
Isn't she the best dancer you've ever seen?
What?
She's literally a K-pop idol.
Oh my god.
I love it.
I used to have that same exact one.
I think for the first time ever, I'm gonna remember to say goodbye to my loyal fan base. Love you guys.
I subscribed
I called
to
them
your
my.
YouTube channel.
You did?
Yes.
Oh,
I
thank
saw
you.
your. Well, actually, I saw part of your Korean food review video. That's how I knew about your scholarship because you said that in the beginning video.
Yeah, so I did get it, and then my mom gave me like a really sad. She's like, I don't think we're gonna be able to afford it. I was like, no, not even with the scholarship. I'm gonna apply to more. It's not the end, but like I can't get my hopes up too high.
I need to apply to more internships.
Yeah, I got rejected from 2 today.
The one with the.
Anyway, guys, this is it for the vlog for today. I don't want it to be too long because it's already nearly 7, I think, p.m. and it has to be out before midnight. Cinderella core. So thanks for watching.
VLOGMAS.